September 9th, 2024, authorities were contacted about an unusual and concerning situation. A small child around 10 years old was seen running around aimlessly in a state of apparent distress. The individual carefully monitored the child's movements as he darted between locations, first entering a gas station and then heading to a nearby post office. When asked if he needed help, the child became visibly uneasy and abruptly ran away.
Are you homeschooled?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Do you know how to read?
Yeah.
Yeah? What grade would you be in?
Fifth.
5th grade? How old are you?
10.
You're 10?
No, 11.
You're 11? Okay. Do you know your mom's name?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know your phone number for your mom?
No.
No? Where does she work at?
A gas station.
Okay. Which one?
I don't know. It's just a gas station. I don't know the name or anything.
Okay.
As the officer began speaking with the child, they learned that he was 10 years old. This initial conversation allowed the officer to gather essential details, including the name of the child's mother and her address. Hoping to reunite the child with his family, the officer attempted to contact the mother based on the information provided.
Well, do you care to write your name down for me and your birthday?
Not very good at writing. Not very good at writing.
No, that's perfect. I like your name. He said he doesn't go to school anywhere. Yeah. You used to?
What church? He says mom was a real estate agent.
He just told me she worked at a gas station. Darvin gave me a phone number for her. Hopefully it's an accurate one. I'm trying to see if he's enrolled in school.
No, he is homeschooled.
He's homeschooled right now.
As of February the 7th of 2024, he was,
Hey, this is Deputy Robertson, County Sheriff's Office.
Hey,
Do you have a son named by chance?
I do. Yes, I do.
So we're out with him on Railroad Avenue in Mineral Bluff. I mean, I'm trying to figure, he's walked all the way down here from wherever y'all live.
We live off Marble City.
Okay. Is there somebody at the house that's with him?
My dad was with him. I had to leave to go pick up my other son, and he was supposed to come with me. And I couldn't find him anywhere. I guess he just decided to walk off and go for a walk, and so then I had to leave to come take my other son to the chiropractor. So,
Okay, you
so
didn't
I just
think...
left because I didn't know if he was just back out in the woods or where he was.
Okay, you didn't think to call us?
Well, no, because I figured he'd come home. He's done this before. Walk back in the woods when he gets mad or frustrated, and then he'll come home like an hour later.
When the officer reached the woman believed to be the child's mother, she displayed an alarming lack of concern for the situation. Her indifferent response raised immediate red flags, leading the officer to question the dynamics of the child's home environment and whether he was receiving proper care. Faced with the unsettling response from the mother, the officer decided to pursue the matter further.
So he's never walked all the way to Mineral Bluff, though.
Okay, yeah, because he's walking down the side of Mineral Bluff Highway. I mean, he was in the busy intersection and...
Well, and to be honest with you, he's very defiant. He won't listen to me. So I kind of figured that one day he might get picked up by you guys. Then maybe he would learn that he just can't do that, because I've told him he can't do that before.
Well, more of our concern is him getting hit by a car.
Yeah, me too. But I don't know what to do with him, to be honest with you. I'm at my wit's end with this kid. I've got 3 other kids that are great, and this kid just doesn't want to listen. Works. And honestly, I didn't know I could just call you guys when I wasn't 100% sure if he was missing, because I wasn't. I thought he was maybe back in the woods, because we've got 16 acres and he does that a lot. So I didn't know that he was not on the property.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to have to do a report on this.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Okay. So if I can get you... Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yes.
The officer resolved to investigate the child's family background more thoroughly, but first they made sure the child gets to his house. Upon arriving at the location, the officer encountered grandparent of the child. According to the child, the grandparents were living in the basement of the property. With this new information, the officer proceeded to the basement to speak with them.
Seen her kid in over an hour. and she knew he was gone from the house. And for if you can just log that I spoke to the mother, and she knew that he was missing from the house and left and went to LJ anyways approximately an hour ago.
Hold on, take you back to your house, okay, bud? Sound good? Let me get you to sit down in, okay?
You gonna take him up there and
Yeah.
look at the house? Yeah.
Have you had anything to eat today? No? When's the last time you ate?
Get you a turkey? Is that a turkey? What's his name? You don't know? A bunch of chickens too, don't you? You got a big old rooster.
You know what kind of chicken that is? No? No. Where is Grandpa? Is he here? Big dog.
Good, yes. I'm glad you got that door shut.
I don't think so. Here, come back out here with us for just a second.
He's just a big baby.
Is Grandpa laying down?
I don't know. He lives down there in the basement.
Okay.
Where at in the basement?
And he lives, the whole basement is his home.
Oh, okay. Well, can you, is there a way we can get somebody? Do you care if we go with you? How's that dog? Can that dog get up here?
No, I closed the door to the downstairs, the entrance to the basement.
But your
So he
grandpa's
can't-
down there.
My grandpa, there's another entrance down there.
Can that dog get to that entrance?
No.
Okay. Let's shut that door and go around this way.
We ultimately want to talk to Grandpa, okay?
We gotta make sure we're leaving you with somebody, okay? Is he able to come to the door?
He has an electric.
Sheriff's
control.
office. There
Okay.
you go. So you will feel.
Am I allowed to go inside again?
Let's talk to Grandpa really quick, and then we'll get you inside, okay?
The grandparents' reaction to the officer's inquiries was one of astonishment. The grandfather, in particular, was visibly shocked upon hearing the details of the situation. He appeared deeply troubled by the revelation of the mother's neglectful behavior and showed genuine concern for the well-being of his grandchild.
Hey, that dog can't get over here, can it?
No.
Okay, good.
What's wrong?
We went on that side. That dog about attacked us.
Oh, no. Just put him down.
We got your grandson here. He was all the way down there at that store down there in Mineral Bluff.
Yeah.
He's right here.
What are you doing? You don't know.
Yeah.
Where's your mom?
We called Mom. Mom knew he was not at home and went to LJ.
I was an LJ?
No, your mom is.
You home all by yourself?
Yeah.
Why were you down there?
I don't know. I went to the wrong place.
You're trying to go downtown, Blue Ridge, you said. We're just concerned about you, bud, okay? We're just
You're not in any kind of trouble, okay?
any trouble. We're worried about you. Like I said, I mentioned it before, we don't want you to be ran over. We don't want some crazy person to be picking you up, okay?
He was on a four-wheeler?
No, he's walking.
No, he was walking.
Yeah. As he, do you care if we walk around upstairs and look around? Is that okay for you?
No.
I'll go look around, make sure you get food and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, he said he hasn't ate today. Do you know if there's something to eat?
No.
There's not anything for him to eat?
Oh, up there? Yeah.
Okay. She said she knew he was gone, but she had to go to LJ.
Yeah.
So,
She should be in school.
yeah.
Recognizing the seriousness of the matter, the the officer continued the investigation by questioning the mother further. The conversation with the mother only confirmed the officer's suspicions of neglect. Her dismissive attitude and lack of accountability for her child's distress were deeply troubling.
From my understanding, he's homeschooled.
Yeah.
Anyways, we may come back down here if that's okay with you, and we've got to leave him with somebody, and Mom's 30 minutes away. So we've talked to, or the mom was supposed to be talking to Grandma that lives next door, okay.
Grandma lives right next door.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate you.
Okay.
He's got a bunch of food in the refrigerator. Nothing
Okay.
very clean. He's got food in the pantry and stuff.
Okay.
Put that here. What happened to your bathroom door there? Your brother's got anger issues? I got you. Well, do you feel comfortable staying here by yourself? You do all the time? Well, I know you're 11 and you can kind of take care of yourself, but I just don't want you to go out there around, okay? And you don't need us to make you anything or grab you anything to get something to eat?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Yeah, roaming around in your yard and in the woods around your house, all fine and well, but yeah, being out near the road, it's not safe. So, all right.
Right.
Well, I appreciate you.
Okay,
Have a good day.
Which door? This one or this one?
Yeah.
This one?
No.
There's somebody sitting right there. Is that her? Is that her?
Yeah, that one's in Cusawati too.
Hey, Brittany.
Yeah.
I need you to come out here. No, not 1 second. I need you to come out here.
Hey guys, can I call y'all right back in just a second? I've got somebody at the door here. Okay.
Given the evidence of neglect, the officer decided that immediate action was necessary. Later, the mother was placed under arrest on charges of child neglect and reckless conduct. She was escorted to the patrol vehicle while the investigation continued.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, bye. Yes, ma'am.
Is there somebody else here with the kids besides your grandpa?
No. Mm-mm.
Okay.
What?
Huh? No, there's nobody here but Pop.
Okay. Turn around for me.
Why?
Because you're under arrest
For what?
for the incident we talked about earlier today.
What am I under arrest for?
For reckless endangerment.
And how was I
Turn around.
recklessly
We're not-
endangering my
We're not
child?
talking about it.
So call me and tell them they're taking me to jail because you decided to walk down the street.
Let go of your hands.
That's not his fault.
Yeah, call Marmy.
You're the mother. That's your responsibility to
Yeah,
keep
I
up with
need
your
you to
child.
not talk to me, please.
That's
Okay,
mature.
Soren, give her a call. Okay.
I need
Last time I checked, it wasn't illegal for a kid to walk to the store. So
It is when they're 10 years old.
it is?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to see that on the books.
Okay. Well, you'll see it on your warrant. I need somebody here to stay with the kids.
I don't have anybody.
Do you want to take this watch off, or you want to take
Okay.
it with you?
Well, then I'm calling defects.
Come here.
315 van. Show one fee my 95.
Come here. No, I want you to call Marmy. Come here.
She doesn't want to.
Maybe she-
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, come here, let me talk to her. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes.
The police are here and they're taking me to jail. So I need you to come stay with the kids.
319 pounds and 42.
No, I'm not kidding. It's ridiculous.
I'll be there just for 5 minutes.
Okay. They're taking me to jail.
I love you.
Love you too, baby.
You keep coming in back.
I'll be back.
Come on.
Do you need to wait for my mom to get here?
We'll wait. Yeah, come on.
Okay, can I tell my other two kids goodbye so they don't freak out?
Yeah, that's
Please.
where they at.
Please go get Enola and Evander and tell them to come tell me goodbye. Okay, thanks.
Do you need to take anything with you?
Do I need anything?
Wallet or anything? Do you want to take it with you?
I probably should. It's in the car.
Okay. Which vehicle? This one or this
The
one?
black one.
Is it unlocked?
Yes.
Okay. You give me permission to get your wallet out of it?
No.
Okay. The chicken's wearing a jacket.
Yeah, no. There's one wearing another thing.
Call Daddy and tell him they're taking me to jail.
Alright.
Marmy will be here in a minute.
Huh?
Marmy will be here in a minute.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, love you guys.
Alright, love you. Bye. When will you be back?
Who knows?
What?
You need to check it for anything?
I'll have to carry it. Can I get your phone? You got anything else on you?
No, but you can stick the phone in there.
That's fine.
I don't have any pockets.
Okay. Nothing that's going to get you in trouble once you cross guard lines?
I don't think so.
I'm just going to look this up, make sure there's no weapons or anything like that. I just have to check.
Alright, I don't carry weapons.
Nothing in your purse, right?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Will you buckle her, Kelly? Alright, so if you'll slide all the way to the edge of the seat, because the seat buckle is under you.
Meanwhile, another officer remained at the scene to gather additional information from the grandparents, who were cooperative and eager to assist. The grandmother in particular played an active role in helping the officers understand the situation. Her willingness to provide details and insights into the family dynamics was instrumental in the ongoing investigation. The grandparents expressed their frustration and concern about the mother's behavior.
To be hit by a car today.
Right.
Or something, that falls back on her. She would be charged for that.
Yeah, because he's a minor.
Right, and
Yeah.
she knew he was missing and left him here. And so that's what this charge is similar to that. She knew he was missing, didn't report it to us, and he's out on a busy roadway.
Right.
And cars are flying past him.
So he was in the road?
Yes, ma'am.
On down here in Middleborough?
Yes, ma'am.
Damascus Road and Damascus Circle on Georgia 28.
I mean, I don't know. We were, that's what we've been discussing today, was whether or not to send him out to live with his dad in Montana or not.
Gotcha.
Because he's just gotten uncontrollable.
And maybe
we can't, besides locking him in his room, that'd be about the only way to keep him home.
Maybe there's some kind of therapy or something like that.
She just spent $2,000 on therapy.
Gotcha. Okay.
And it didn't. He's still as belligerent as the other.
And
the day before yesterday, I took him to the river with me. He did everything I asked him to do. Helped me plant plants. I mean, he was great. And we just had the wedding, my other daughter's wedding, and he acted really nice. He was really good for the whole wedding. So he'll go through when he wants to do something, he'll do it. But he just thinks that he can make the rules.
Yeah. And so, and just to explain the difference, because I'll tell you, we are dealing with something similar with another juvenile in the county. The difference is...
Now he's a juvenile.
Well, they're both juveniles, but the difference is the parents, they've built a fence around the house to try and keep him contained because he runs away. So they've built a fence around the house. I don't remember. He's young too. He's elementary school. They've had to put locks on the inside of their door that he can't reach to keep him, because that's their responsibility.
So, okay, so we wouldn't be in trouble for doing that then?
No.
Making him stay home?
Right.
I know that I've raised 4 girls on my own in this house.
Sharing stories that shed light on the child's living conditions and the neglect he had endured. The officers documented these accounts as part of their case against the mother. With all the necessary information collected, the officers ensured that the child was placed in a safe environment, away from the mother's influence, while the legal process unfolded.
Okay, but I never had any of them act like this at all. He also is sad inside, and that's what we're trying to figure out, what is going on.
And I could see that talking to him today.
Yeah, he's very sad. He's in tears. I mean,
he was almost in tears when I found him. Said he hadn't ate, couldn't remember the last time he ate.
No, he won't eat either.
Yeah,
he eats junk food. He won't eat anything
and that's
good.
We offered to make him something, help him, get something to eat, and he just So I just want to explain to you what the difference is, so you don't think that we're just, if we had been called and said, hey, I can't find my son.
Well, that would have happened when she got back.
Right, but that's a long time for a kid to be missing. She was gone for an hour before we knew.
Okay, so we're supposed to call even if they're out in the woods playing and we don't know where they're at exactly, because this happens all the time. They ride motorcycles. I mean, there's 16 acres here. I own that cabin over there. So there's times, I mean, when you don't know exactly where they're at, but you know they're on the property. That's what it has always been with him. He would just pitch a fit and go out in the woods and sit and cool off, and then he'd come back. But for some reason today, he elected to go.
Yeah, he said he was trying to find his mom, and that she worked at a gas station in Blue Ridge.
That was just a lie. That was just a lie.
And then we came around that she was a realtor.
He lied to you.
I still don't know what she does for work. I'll be honest.
She's a realtor.
Okay.
Yeah, she works out of this office right here.
Gotcha. Yeah, I never really figured out, and no.
No, you don't know what's going on.
Right.
I understand that.
All I know is I have a child that's running around and a mom that's telling me I knew he was missing.
So, from that point,
at that point,
an arrest? I mean,
because it should have been reported to us.
Okay, well, she did report to you when you called her.
No, that's not how that works. That's not how that works. She didn't.
Okay, so we're supposed to always know. Okay, so yeah, so we're just, you know, like you said, people got to put a fence up around their yard to keep their kids in, and if they don't, then it's their fault that the child is acting like an ass, which is what he's doing.
Okay.
You know, I mean, that's crazy. Is she in the car, or is she?
No, she's already gone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she could lose her way of making a living by being arrested. You do realize that?
Okay. That's not my concern. My concern is the children.
Yeah, the children are fine.
Okay.
The children have a good
also,
mother.
there's a DFAX referral, so they'll be coming out as well, okay?
That's fine.
Okay. I think that should be the best interest of everybody is the children.
The case was presented in court. During the proceedings, the woman had to post $500 bond after being charged with reckless conduct. She declined, saying she would fight the case, even though the authorities offered to remove the prosecution if she signed a safety plan. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To stay updated on our future videos, click on the notification bell icon after subscribing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.